This is Anytime Fitness Kalamazoo coming at you again, continuing our video series on Whole 30 recipes that you can do finding simple ingredients at Walmart. So today we're going to make a crock pot meal, another crock pot meal that you can throw all of this in the crock pot. We're going to make a turkey vegetable tomato sauce that you can pour on any type of sweet potato or zucchini noodles. So I'm going to help you find all the ingredients here, and then in a later video show you how to cook it. So first thing you need is you will need 2 pounds of ground turkey. Leaner the better. Always check the ingredients, make sure there's not any added sugar in there. And next we're going to the vegetable aisle to get our veggies. Okay. Alright. You will need 2 large carrots and a head of broccoli. Next, we're going to get our garlic. So, I don't know how you guys feel about garlic. I absolutely love it, but I don't always love mincing it up. So this recipe calls for a couple of cloves, but you can actually just buy the minced garlic like so. Always check the back. Anything added in here? Nope. Phosphoric acid is a-okay. You can, for every clove, a teaspoon of minced garlic does just fine. Okay? So that's how you can do that conversion instead of actually using the garlic heads. Okay, so we got our vegetables, we got our turkey. And you need 1 dried onion. Almost forgot that. We'll go back and get that in the end. Okay. Next, we are going to go get our chicken stock. Okay, so we're trying to find our chicken stock, which is in right here. So chicken stock, a little higher. Great value. Take a look at those ingredients. Make sure there's not any added sugar. That's not coming in too well. Let me see here. Yep, no added sugar. Good to go there. That is in, let me get the aisle for you. Aisle 8. Hey, next we need to get our tomato sauce and tomato puree. You need 28 ounces of tomato puree and 6 ounces of tomato paste. Okay. Let's see, here's tomato paste. We only need 6 ounces. Good to go there. Tomato puree, you need 28 ounces, so 2 cans right there. That can be found in aisle 5. Lastly, time to get our seasonings. Nope. Down in, we're in aisle 15, getting our necessary seasonings. So way down here, we got our crushed red pepper. We have our black pepper that we need. We have our Italian seasoning. That's found right there. Coming back. Boom, Italian seasoning. And then the last thing, Himalayan sea salt. So if you've already gotten that before, you're good to go. And that is all you need. Stay tuned. We will have a video posted shortly of how to actually make it.